In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate QuickBooks Online with Shopify using the official integrations method. This setup will automatically sync your orders, products, and customers, saving you time and keeping your accounts up to date. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Integrations. This is where QuickBooks manages all the apps you can connect to your account. Next, in the search bar, type Shopify. You should see the Shopify integration appear in the results. Click Connect to start linking your accounts. Now, QuickBooks will ask you to log into your Shopify store and authorize access. Make sure you're using the correct Shopify store credentials so that the right data is synced. After authorization, you'll see integration settings. Here you can choose how your Shopify data will appear in QuickBooks, such as syncing new orders as invoices, mapping products, and importing customer information. Make sure to review these settings carefully to match your accounting preferences. Once everything looks good, click Save or Finish. Your QuickBooks Online and Shopify accounts are now connected. You can test the integration by creating a small order in Shopify and checking if it shows up in QuickBooks correctly. And that's it. By using QuickBooks Integrations tab, you can easily keep your Shopify store and accounting perfectly in sync without any manual work. Thanks for watching and happy selling.